Hi everyone, good evening. Greetings to all of you. I hope that you are all having a fantastic time in this evening, and I hope also you had have a wonderful day today. So everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm gonna share with all of you about myself. Myself, MD Habibur Rahman, as you know. My Facebook profile name also MD Habibur Rahman, and in this video I'm gonna share my business. All that today I was so busy because all of my family members has gone to visit our relatives house. আমার পরিবারের সকল সদস্য আজকে আত্মীয়র বাড়িতে বেড়াতে গেছে, যার জন্য আমাকে বাড়ি পাহারা দিতে হচ্ছে। I am working today as a guard of our house. So everyone will pray for me, and no more today. Allah Hafiz. See you again in my next post.